To create a working set of configurations from an existing Oracle instance, one will need to run a reverse product that will extract configurations from an existing Oracle instance. In order to start that process, however, we need to create a package from configurator that will tell reverse what to do. So let's have a look at how to do that process. So logging on to configurator, select scenario maintenance, and you'll now need to select the appropriate scenario. You'll need to refer to the documentation for that is required by which to tell reverse what to do. In this case, I'm going to pick ERP Super Scenario and then click Export Inventories. This now starts to prepare the inventories into a package that we can pass to reverse. Okay, the package is complete and it has provided a link for me to be able to download. So I'm going to download this and place it in a folder on my desktop machine. Just try that again. Okay, I've saved my package on my desktop machine. That's all I need from configurator at this point in time, so I can now log out. What I need to do now is start up reverse. So having installed reverse on my desktop machine, I now go to load it. Once reverse starts up, it will show you the version of Oracle based upon the version of reverse that you have installed. You now need to select the package that was created in configurator. And here's my package. Click Next. It now unpacks the files, as you can see there. It extracts the information it has been given from configurator into reverse's working area. Once the package is finished unpacking, we then need to tell reverse which server we wish to point at. To do that, the server information is contained within a small file, what we call a BWE file. Let me select the BWE file that I need. I'm going to pick server 01. Okay, it brings in the file and it validates that it can connect to the server, and it's using this parameter information here by which to connect. So once it's made the connection, I have green, I can click next, and first thing I need to do is tell it where I wish to put the output, and again this is going to be on my local machine. So I will use this folder. Reverse extract configs is where I wish to put it. So reverse extract configs, there, open. And I need to select which operating unit I want, and I have in fact 2 operating units in this instance. I need to select which one that I want. So let me select the second one. And configurator has already provided all of the various steps for which reverse should go and get the data. There are all the steps. It is possible now, should you so require, to tick or untick an individual step. What we also have here is run in analyze mode. Some of these steps, some of the data inside the steps may actually be very, very large. The point of running in analyze mode is it will give you a list of all of the tables and the volume of rows in each table. If there's some tables with a very large number of rows, number one, you should ask, do you actually need it? Usually we find if it's configurations that they're low volume, not large volume. 2, if you do need it and it is very large, you may wish to plan to run this either off-peak time or on one or more PCs to spread the load. If you run it all from here, then the total number of hours is going to run each job consecutively. So the total number of hours could easily mount up depending on how many rows it has to extract. At least, however, with the run in analyze mode, you are forewarned and you can plan. With that in mind, I now say, right, I want to put my data here, I want this operating unit, I want all these steps to run. I can click start. So while reverse is running, it will give you a status of where it's up to. You can see currently it's up to 1 of 294. It will also produce an error log showing you exactly what it is doing and exactly how many records are extracted. When it is finished the reverse, then you can see it's got a message on the bottom saying completed. What we need to do now is pack that up and upload it into the knowledge base. So simply zip up the file or the folder where all the files are contained, and then come to configurator, log on to your project, import setups, and go and select that particular file. Reverse extract configs.zip. There we go. And give the data a tag. Okay. When the job is complete, you can see it's imported. You're now able to go and produce a full configuration listing of BR100, and you actually have your working set of configurations. Okay, thank you.